Hey everyone, welcome back to the Parent Hub. If you're a new parent or caring for a little one who's just starting to explore the world, you know how exciting it is waiting for those first words. I'm Lily, and today we're diving into 3 super effective research-backed strategies to encourage your baby or toddler to communicate more and even say their first words sooner. These tips come straight from what speech experts recommend, and they're easy to try at home. The best part? They turn everyday moments into fun opportunities for your child to practice talking. Let's get started. First tip, master the power of pausing. A lot of us parents love chatting with our babies. It's natural. But sometimes talking too much or jumping in too quickly can actually reduce their chances to respond. Babies and toddlers need extra time to process what we say, figure out what they want to express, and then try to say it or show it. Here's a common scenario. You hold up a snack and ask, "Do you want some crackers?" And before they can even think, you hand it over. They get what they want without needing to communicate. Instead, try this. Ask a simple question or make an offer, then pause for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Look at them expectantly, smile, lean in, raise your eyebrows like you're really interested in their answer. This expectant wait gives them the space to respond with a sound, a point, a gesture, or even a word. You'll be amazed how quickly they start making eye contact, reaching, or babbling back. It feels a little awkward at first. Trust me, most parents say that's the hardest part, but it shows your child that their voice matters, and it builds their confidence without any pressure. Tip number 2, create fun communication traps, also known as gentle sabotage. This one sounds tricky, but it's actually playful and motivating. The idea is to set up safe situations where your child has to communicate to get something they really want. Put their favorite toys, books, or snacks in sight but just out of reach, like on a high shelf or in a clear container they can't open easily. Don't hide things completely. Make sure they can see it and get excited. When they notice it, wait. They might point, make a sound, look at you, or even say something like up or the toy's name. That's your cue. Respond right away. "Oh, you want the ball? Here's the ball," and hand it over with lots of praise. This works because kids are super motivated by things they love. It turns frustration into a positive moment where they learn that communicating gets results. Start small so it stays fun. No big meltdowns needed. Third tip, bring on the silly sounds during playtime. Babies and toddlers learn language best when they're having fun and engaged in something they enjoy, especially play. Research shows that kids are more likely to babble, gesture, or try words during activities they're excited about. So when you're playing together, especially from around 9 months onward, sprinkle in lots of fun, exaggerated sounds. Think animal noises, like the cow says moo, or ruff ruff, that's the doggy. Vehicle sounds are gold too. Room room goes the car, or toot toot, the train is coming. Add action sounds like boom when blocks fall, wee on the slide, or splash during bath time. Don't worry if you feel ridiculous. Kids absolutely love it. These silly, easy-to-imitate sounds are often the very first things babies copy and say on their own. It makes playtime joyful and naturally boosts their motivation to vocalize. These 3 strategies, pausing expectantly, gentle sabotage, and silly play sounds, can make a huge difference in helping your little one become a confident communicator. If you want to track how they're doing, head over to the description and grab our free downloadable milestone guide from the Parent Hub. It'll show you what to expect for first words, vocabulary growth, and speech clarity at different ages. Next time, I'll be sharing 3 common parenting habits that accidentally slow down talking, so you can avoid them and keep progress going strong. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Parent Hub for more practical parenting tips every week, and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Drop a comment below. What's your baby's favorite sound or first word so far? I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.